Now we are in the new document. Here you see your working area and 3 menus. The first menu has the gallery button. That gets you back to the main gallery. On the first button, you see tabs with the settings. The first set are import options and options to cut and copy something. The second tab has canvas paper settings. It lets you resize the paper, enable drawing assist or drawing guide, and also flip the canvas. The third tab lets you export your drawing. In most of the cases, when you want to share your artwork, you will be using JPEG and PNG. In the Video tab, you can turn on and off the time-lapse recording. It will record every brush stroke and give you a sped-up video of it. In the Preference tab, there are many interesting options. You can change the interface from black to white. You can change the interface orientation to left-handed or right-handed. Here you can also edit your gesture controls, but we will explore that a bit later. The Help tab shows additional information about the app. The magic wand icon shows you the effects menu. Here you can see the effects that you can apply, but we will discover them as we move on. The next one is the selection tool that you can use to select something and edit it by changing the size or moving it. The last one is a transformation tool that goes hand in hand with the selection tool. We will explore it in real examples. On the right side is a second menu. The first icon is the brush icon that shows you all the brushes. The second one is a smudge tool. You can smudge with any brush. The eraser tool lets you erase. You can use any brush for erasing as well. Here you will find all the layers. The last one will display colors. This small panel is for working with brushes. The upper slider lets you change the size of a brush. The lower one lets you control the opacity of a brush. You can undo and redo with the small arrow buttons. Or with finger gestures, 2-finger tap to undo, 3-finger tap to redo. You can drag the panel out to place it further up or down.